Welcome. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale softly through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop. Let your body release any weight it's been holding. This is your moment to arrive, to pause the noise of the world and tune into something quieter, truer, something that's always been here, your own presence. With every inhale, invite calm. With every exhale, allow space. You are safe to slow down now. You are safe to feel. Bring your attention to your heart, noticing its gentle rhythm, the subtle pulse that's been with you every moment of your life. As you breathe into this space, imagine your awareness softening, like light dissolving into water. Each breath creates room for gratitude to rise naturally from within. Gratitude isn't something to search for. It's something to remember. It already lives here in the quiet, beneath the thoughts, within your being. Now, with your next inhale, breathe in a soft golden light, the energy of appreciation. Feel it fill your chest, warm and expansive. With each exhale, this light spreads through your arms, your hands, your entire body. Every cell begins to open to this energy, a gentle hum of thankfulness. Think of one simple thing you're grateful for, something small yet meaningful. Maybe the warmth of sunlight, the sound of someone's laughter, or simply this breath. Let that feeling expand. Feel it moving through your body like a current of peace, softening your mind, steadying your heart. Now imagine that with every inhale, you're drawing gratitude from the world around you, from the air, the ground, the space itself. And with every exhale, You're radiating that same energy back out, offering your presence, your love, your light. Gratitude is not a thought. It's a frequency. And right now, you're vibrating in harmony with it. Stay here for a moment, just breathing in thankfulness, breathing out peace. Let the feeling of gratitude settle into your body. Feel how it softens your edges, how it opens the space within you. This energy doesn't fade. It integrates. As your awareness gently returns to the room, notice how light you feel, how open, how calm, how connected. Gratitude changes everything, not by adding more, but by revealing what was already here. Every breath, every heartbeat, every moment is a gift unfolding. Take one last deep breath in, and as you exhale, smile softly. Carry this vibration of gratitude into your day. Let it shape your words, your thoughts, your presence. You are aligned. You are grounded. You are grateful. Thank you for taking this time for yourself, for choosing peace, for choosing presence, for remembering the power of gratitude. This is your gratitude awakening. Your energy is clear. Your heart is open. And life is ready to meet you there.